You've launched the campaigns. Ads on social, clicks from search, even flyers in print. But everything points to one phone number, which means zero visibility into which campaign brought the lead. The smarter way: use virtual numbers to track, target, and personalize your marketing without making it complex. Here's how it works. Assign a unique virtual number to each campaign or channel. One for your Instagram ad, another for your Google search campaign, a third for your SMS blast, and so on. This way, every incoming call carries context. You instantly know what campaign drove it. Your reports stay organized. Your team speaks with insight. Targeting a new city or country? Use a local area code that makes your number feel familiar and trusted. This increases response rates and removes the hesitation of calling a foreign number. Want a national presence? Use a toll-free number. Running promotions? Use a mobile number for follow-ups or text replies. Virtual numbers give your marketing flexibility without changing your core system. And the best part? All calls, no matter the number, can be routed to the same team. So while you track campaigns separately, the customer experience stays unified. With KrispCall, you can get virtual numbers in over 100 countries and assign them in minutes. Track campaigns, personalize outreach, and grow with confidence. Visit KrispCall.com to start using virtual numbers the smart way.